Dada,
Ay, kayo ka.
Dada, this is the satisfying taro custard pie. Mama's gonna open it. Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it's gonna be satisfying.
But the real part, we open here.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy.
Yeah.
Lapit ko ka.
Wow. My turn.
Tatapat ka sa'yo o nakatapat ka?
Nakatapat sa'yo.
Ah. Oh, there's a cheese, I guess. Oh my. Yeah? How is it? Goody?